YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, and I'm back with another pickup for you guys. It's not an unboxing, you already see it in the hand, and I'm excited to have these. These are dope. The Homage the Homes in the Chicago colorway, and you got the bread colorway. You know, two of the most iconic Jordans to ever drop, and you know, definitely a dope concept. These dropped earlier in 2018, I believe. They came out with first off a limited release of 2,300 pairs, and then they did a more wider release back in May. I didn't get any of the two releases, but I did get lucky the day before Thanksgiving. The Sneakers app did another drop for some of the releases from earlier this year, and these are what I came up with. I mean, they had a few different other releases that I did pass up on. These were the first ones I clicked on, and I was able to cop them. So, you know, here they are. Got these in the mail earlier this week. And, you know, a lot of people have mixed feelings about these shoes. Some like them, some are kind of in about them. You know, it's a lot going on, definitely. You know, it's a little bit different than what we're used to seeing. You know, there are some styling cues that make you scratch your head, but I think this is still a solidly constructed shoe. It feels good, the leather's nice and soft. You know, I do like the contrast in color. Everything still does flow well together. You know, black, red, white, they all go together. You know, and then you got, you know, either the black laces or you got the red laces. So, you know, it's not too much going on, but I think it's just enough for people to, you know, have their opinions about, you know, whether or not they really feel good about them overall. I will say one thing about these things that makes me scratch my head is on the back you got the stitch going across the middle here, but you don't have a contrasting in colors. It's just one solid red. You know, you got the layers with the black, and so there, I don't know if there was a need for to have this stitching all the way up like this, but you know, it is what it is. You know, I'm not looking at the back of my heel all day. But it's soft leather, that's just it's a superb touch. You know, everything's just smooth, everything's just nicely put together. You know, they haven't missed yet. So happy to have these. Post a comment below, let me know what you think of them. You know, you feeling them, you know, they're whatever for you, or you just hate them. You know, I know these probably aren't the toughest Jordan 1 release of the year. That might be coming up soon for you guys. But until the next time, guys, I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.